Hello everyone, welcome back to this part. In this part, I am going to discuss problem based on subtraction of rational number. Properties we learned in our first part. In the second part, we solved some problem based on addition of rational number. Today I am going to discuss some problem based on subtraction of rational number. So let us begin and solve some problem. The first problem is evaluate. Evaluate means we need to simplify and find the values. Question is given as minus 4 by 9 minus 2 by minus 3. So the first thing we are going to do here is we are going to apply the sign changes here. Minus of minus, that is plus. So we write minus 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3. Clear? First, we need to apply the sign changes if necessary. Now, 9 and 3, LCM of 9 and 3. Find the LCM of denominator. So, 9 and 3, LCM equals to 9. Now, LCM divided by the denominator. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 4 plus 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. Clear? So this is equal to 1 into minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 to the 6 by 9. So this equals to minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 2 by 9. So your answer is 2 by 9. Moving into the next part, the next sum. It is given that minus 1 minus 4 by 9. So this can be written as, for your convenience, minus 1 can be written as minus 1 by 1 minus 4 by 9. Minus 1 can be written as minus 1 by 1, standard form of rational number where denominator must be positive. LCM of 1 and 9 is equal to 9. LCM of 1 and 9 is equal to 9. 9 divided by 1, that is LCM divided by denominator. 9 divided by 1 is 9 multiplied by minus 1. Then we put this sign minus. 9 divided by 9 is 1 multiplied by 4. So we get minus 9 minus 4 by 9. So minus 9 minus 4 is equal to minus 13 by 9. So your answer is minus 13 by 9. Let us solve this problem, third one. So again I remind you, first apply the sign changes if necessary. So here you see minus of minus plus. So minus 2 by 7 plus 3 by 14. LCM of 7 and 14. If you find LCM of 7 and 14, 7 1 just 7, 7 2 just 14. So LCM is equal to 7 into 1 into 2, that is equal to 14. So LCM is equal to 14 14 LCM divided by denominator, that is 7. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2, then multiplied by minus 2. So 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 14 divided by 14 is 1 multiplied by 3. So minus 4, 2 into minus 2 equals to minus 4 plus 3 by 14. So you get the answer as minus 1 by 14. Clear? Now let us solve this number 4. First, we need to apply the sign changes. So we can say this is 5 by 21 minus of minus plus 13 by 42. Clear? Find out the first, we need to find out the LCM of 21 and 42. I am showing it here. For 21, 42, 3, 7, 3, 1. So LCM will be equal to 3 7 ja 21 into 2, 42. So 42 is LCM. LCM divided by the denominator. 42 divided by 21 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 plus 42 divided by 42 is equal to 1. So 1 into 13. 5 into 2 equals to 10. 1 into 13, that is equals to 13 by 42. So you get 23 by 42. 23 by 42. Now let us solve the next problem. Subtract. That means you need to perform the subtraction. Minus 3 1 by 5 from minus 4 whole 7 by 9. Simple thing. If somebody asks you a question, what will be the result if you subtract 10 from 20? Subtract 10 from 20. That means from 20 you need to minus 10. That means whenever it is given, from part, the from term will be written first. So that means you can say first, let us convert it into improper fraction. 4 9 ja 36. 4 9 ja 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7 is equal to 43. So minus 43 by 9 minus of minus again you convert it into improper fraction. 5 3 ja 15 plus 1 16 by 5. Clear? You need to write this term first and then minus of this term. So as I mentioned earlier in the first part, we need to apply the sign changes here. So we can say that this is equal to minus 43 by 9 plus 16 by 5. Clear? 9 5 ja 45. 9 5 ja 45. 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. So 5 multiplied by minus 43 plus 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. 9 into 16. Clear? Now if you multiply this 43 into 5, so this will be minus 215. If you multiply 43 into 5 plus 16 into 9, it is equal to 144 by 45. Opposite sign, so we need to subtract. So 215 minus 144. So if you subtract, you will get 5. Minus 71 by 45. Clear? Now you can check whether you can cancel out some terms or not. If you can, then you need to. Now if you check 71, it will neither go with 3. Denominator either go with 3 or 5. Numerator 71 is neither divisible by 3 nor divisible by 5. So your answer is minus 71 by 45. So we need to write from this. So we need to write this term first. So convert it into improper fraction. 8 3 ja 24. 24 plus 5 is equal to 29 by 8 minus 4 by 9. Clear? So now apply the sign changes. So 29 by 8 minus of minus plus 4 by 9. LCM of 8 and 9 is 72. 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9. So 9 into 29. Then plus 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 4. 8 multiplied by 4. So now if you multiply 29 into 9, 29 into 9, 261 plus 32 by 72. So this will be equal to 293 by 72. So your answer is, you can convert it into mixed fraction or you can leave it here. Since it is a rational number, prefer to leave it here. One by 4 from minus 3 by 8. So no need to say, we need to write this term first. Minus 3 by 8 minus of 1 by 4. So LCM of 8 and 4. LCM of 8 and 4. 4 2 ja 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 8. LCM is 8. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 3 minus 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1. So this is equal to minus 3. 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 3 minus 2 by 8. So your answer will be minus 3 minus 2 means minus 5 by 8. Next, minus 5 by 8 from minus 13 by 16. So we need to write this term first. Minus 13 by 16 minus of minus 5 by 8. Clear? So first apply apply the sign changes. So this will be equal to minus 13 by 16, minus of minus plus 5 by 8. 5 by 8. LCM of 8 and 16. If you find, LCM will be equal to 16. 16 divided by 16 is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 13 plus 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. So this will equal to minus 13. 1 into minus 13 equals to minus 13 plus 2 into 5 equals to 10 by 16. So minus 13 plus 10. So minus 3 by 16. Your answer is minus 3 by 16. Next sum is the sum of two rational number is 9 by 20. The sum of two rational number is 9 by 20. So here sum of rational numbers is given as 9 by 20, and if one of them is 2 by 5, one of the number is equal to one of the number is equal to 2 by 5. So we need to find the other. Now see, if there are two rational numbers, suppose R1 and R2 are two rational numbers, and if you add these two, so you will get a sum. Now see, sum is given to you, and one of them is given. For example, R2 is given to you, or R1 is given to you. So we need to find out R1. Clear? So clearly we can say that R1 is equal to S minus R2. Clear? That means, for example, if I take one example, sum of two number is given as 6. Sum of two number is given as 6, and one of the number is, for example, 2. One number is given as 2. So obviously other number will be 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. That means from the sum of two rational number, if you subtract 2 by 5, you will get the other number. So therefore we can write, therefore another number is equal to sum minus one of the number. 9 by 20 minus 2 by 5. 5 and 20, LCM is equal to 20. If you find out the LCM of 5 and 20, LCM will be 20. Now LCM divided by denominator, 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1 multiplied by 9 minus 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2. So 9, 1 into 9 equals to 9 minus 4 into 2 equals to 8 by 20. So this is equal to 1 by 20. Clear? Now there is another way to solve this problem. That means another way means we formulate a linear equation. In class 7 you learn how to solve a linear equation, how to formulate a linear equation. So using that concept we can find out. So suppose one of the number is given as 2 by 5. So another number, we need to find the other. We need to find out the another number. So we assume that let x is equal to the another rational number. Another rational number. So if you add x with 2 by 5, so according to question, x plus 2 by 5 is equal to 9 by 20. Again I am explaining this. The sum of two rational number is 9 by 20. One of them is 2 by 5. Find the other. So find the other. We consider the other number as x. And sum of two rational number is 9 by 20. That means sum of x and 2 by 5 is equal to 9 by 20. So x is equal to, you need to take this 2 by 5 on the other side. So 9 by 20 minus 2 by 5. 9 by 20 minus 2 by 5. See. That means same way if you simplify, you will get the answer as 1 by 20. Clear? Because if you use the algebra, it will help you in the chapter linear equation. So either way you can solve the problem, but I suggest my student to go for the x so that the formulation of linear equation by these sums you can practice how to formulate a linear equation. Now let us discuss the next problem. Which rational number should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9? Which rational number should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9? So first I am using this, I am going to solve this problem by considering x. That means we consider, let x be the number added. Let x be the number added. That means as per the question, x added to this, that means x plus of minus 7 by 8. What rational number should be added to minus 7 by 8? So we are considering the number x as x. So x plus of minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9. To get 5 by 9. Clear? So now here we need to apply the sign changes. So x is equal to 5 by 9 plus minus 7 by 8. So when you take the 7 by 8 to the other side, it will become plus 7 by 8. Understood? Or I can, for your convenience, I am writing one more step. So if you apply the sign changes, you get x minus 7 by 8 is equal to 5 by 9. X minus 7 by 8 is equal to 5 by 9. Therefore x is equal to, if you take this minus 7 by 8 to the other side, it will become plus 7 by 8. Now we need to simplify. 9 and 8 LCM equals to 72. 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8 multiplied by 5 plus 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9. 9 into 7. So this will be equal to 40 plus 9 7 is 63 by 72. So 40 plus 63 equals to 103 by 72. You can convert it into mixed fraction or you can leave it here also. So this is the first method. This is the first method using the variable x, that means by formulation of linear equation. Now from here you will get an idea. Sum is given. Sum is given as 5 by 9 and one of the number is given. One of the number is given as minus 7 by 8. You are adding a number with minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9. Clear? The sum is like the last sum only. Clear? So one of the number is given as minus 7 by 8. Therefore, another number is equal to sum minus one of the number. Sum minus first, suppose I am writing first number. If you understand this, no need to write this step. So sum is equal to 5 by 9 it will be 7 by 8. So minus 7 by 8. So this will be equal to 5 by 9 minus of minus plus 7 by 8. See, you are getting the same thing. That means if you simplify, you will get 103 by 72. So you can complete this sum, you can solve this problem using either of the method. It is up to you where you find yourself comfortable, but give the emphasis on by solving x. Now, moving into the next problem, which rational number should be subtracted from minus 5 by 6 to get 4 by 9? To get 4 by 9. So first, using formation of linear equation or using the variable x, so we consider let x be the required number. So subtracted from, so from means this number will appear first. So minus 5 by 6. Which rational number should be subtracted? So minus x is equal to 4 by 9. Clear? Now, if I take this x to the other side, so minus x will become plus x equal to, now I am going to bring this 4 by 9 to this side. So this 4 by 9 will become minus 4 by 9. So minus 5 by 6 minus 4 by 9. This is actually this step we called it as a separation of variable. Separation of variable. We are separating variable from constant. Clear? It implies x is equal to 9 and 6. LCM 3, 2, just 6, 3, 3 is 9. So 3, 2 just 6, 3 is 18. So LCM is equal to 18. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 5 minus 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. It implies x equals to 3 into minus 5 equals to 15. 4 into 2 into 4, 8 by 18. So this is equal to minus 15 minus 8 equals to minus 23 by 18. Now Now the next problem is subtract the sum of. Now sum of these two will be equal to minus 5 by 7 plus of minus 8 by 3. Clear? First thing, before you solve, read the question very well, carefully. Analyze it. Then it will be easier for you to proceed correctly. So, the way you read the sum, you need to proceed in that way. First, what is said? The sum of. So, sum of this means minus 5 by 7 plus of minus 8 by 3 from the sum of 5 by 2 plus of minus 11 by 12. If you find out the sum of these two, so this will be the sum. If you find out the sum of these two, this will be the sum. Now from the sum of, that means this will be written, this will be our first term. That means as per the question, it is given that 5 by 2 plus of minus 11 by 12. Whatever the term will be there after the word from, that will be written first. Minus 5 by 7 plus of minus 8 by 3. So now, student, you can do this sum in two ways. First, simplify this bracket, simplify this bracket and then proceed. Or directly you can open up the bracket and simplify all the terms together. So for your convenience, I am going to solve this one first. 2 and 12. 2 and 12. LCM will be 12. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 multiplied by 5. 6 into 5 plus 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 11. Minus 7 and 3 LCM is 21. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So 3 into minus 5 plus 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7 multiplied by minus 8. So it will be 6 into 5 equals to 30. 1 into minus 11. Minus 11. If you multiply these two, you will get minus 11. This sign is plus. So plus minus by 12. Minus. Now this will be 3 into minus 5. It is equal to minus 15. 7 into 8. 56. That is equal to 7 into minus 8 means minus 56. And this sign is plus. So you will get minus 15 minus 56 by 21. Now 30 minus 11. 19 by 12. Same sign. So these two terms will be added and minus plus. If you add these two, 6 and 5, 11, 1, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. And since these two signs are same, so these two terms will be added and minus plus. Now 12 and 21, LCM of 12 and 21, 3 4 jar 12, 3 7 jar 21. So 3 into 4 into 7. 3 into 4, 12, 12 into 7, 84. So LCM is 84. 84 divided by 12 is equal to 7 multiplied by 19 plus 84 divided by 21 is equal to 4 multiplied by 71. Clear? Multiply these two, add those two results by 84. So we'll simplify. So if you simplify this, you will get 417 by 84. Now you can convert it into mixed fraction or you can leave it here. Now the next problem given to us is, if x is equal to 4 by 9, y is equal to minus 7 by 12 and z is equal to minus 2 by 3, then we need to verify that x minus y minus z is not equal to x minus y minus z. And if you remember, this is the law, we called it as an associative law, and subtraction doesn't follow the associative law. In case of addition, we can see x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z, but subtraction doesn't follow the associative law. So first we will take the left hand side. It is given as x minus y minus z within bracket. So first thing, you need to substitute the values of x, y and z in their respective positions. So x is equal to 4 by 9 minus y is equal to minus 7 by 12 minus z means minus 2 by 3. So if you apply the sign changes, you will get 4 by 9 minus 7 by 12 plus 2 by 3. Now since you are going to prove a property, use bottomless rule. First simplify the bracket and then subtract from 4 by 9. So this will be equal to 4 by 9 minus 3 and 12. LCM is 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1 multiplied by minus 7. So it will be equal to minus 7. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Again I am repeating this step. 12 and 3 LCM is 12. LCM divided by denominator, 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 7. So it will be minus 7. Same way 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So this will be equal to 4 by 9 minus 7 plus 8 is equal to 1. So 1 by 12. So 4 by 9 minus 1 by 12. LCM of 9 and 12. If you find out LCM of 9 and 12, 3, 4. 3 3 is 9, 4 is 36. So it will be equal to 36. So equals to LCM 36. 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. 4 is 16. Minus 36 divided by 12 is equal to 3 into 1. So 3. Equals to 16 minus 3 equals to 13 by 36. So if you simplify the left hand side, you are getting the final result as 13 by 36. Now same way we are going to calculate the right hand side. It is x minus y minus z. So x minus y. So in place of x, y and z, first we need to substitute the value. So 4 by 9 minus y. So minus 7 by 12 minus z. That means minus of minus 2 by 3. So this is equal to 4 by 9 minus minus plus 7 by 12 minus minus plus 2 by 3. Nine and 12 LCM is 36. Now 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. 4 into 4, 16 plus 36 divided by 12 is equal to 3. 3 into 7, 21 plus 2 by 3. So now if you add these two, 21 plus 16, 21 plus 16 is equal to 37 by 36 plus 2 by 3. 3 and 36. LCM will be equal to 36. 36 divided by 36 is 1 multiplied by 37. So you get 37 plus 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12 multiplied by 2 is equal to 24. So your final answer is 61 by 36. Clear? So clearly we have seen left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So we can say the result verified. The result verified. Clear? Now let us discuss these two problems. Evaluate 3 by 7 plus minus 4 by 9 minus of minus 11 by 7 minus 7 by 9. So first we rearrange the term as we did in case of addition. We keep the same denominator terms together. That is 3 by 7 minus 11 by 7 plus minus 4 by 9 minus 7 by 9. Now if you simplify, LCM will be 7, 3 minus of minus 11 plus LCM is 9. So you get minus 4 minus 7. The way I am doing the sum, in the same way I explain you in case of an addition. So it will be minus minus plus. So 3 plus 11 is equal to 14 by 7 minus 4 minus 7, that is equal to minus 11 plus of minus 11, that means minus 11 by 9. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So you will get 2 minus 11 by 9. So this will be equal to, LCM is 9, 9 2 ja 18 minus 11. That is 18 minus 11 equals to 7 by 9. Now let us discuss next problem. Now this sum you can do it another way, like applying the sign changes. If you are comfortable with that, you can do it that way also. 4 by 7, so minus minus plus 8 by 9 minus minus plus 13 by 7 plus 17 by 9. Now keep these two terms together. So this will be equal to 4 by 77 plus 13 by 7 plus 8 by 9 plus 17 by 9. The only advantage of keeping the like terms together, like denominator terms together, is the addition or subtraction will be easier. So if you simplify this, then you need to add these two. So 13 plus 7, 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. 17 by 7 plus 17 plus 8, 25. 25 by 9. Now LCM of 7 and 9 is 63. So you get 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. So you get 17 into 9. 63 divided by 9 is 7. So 7 into 25. 17 into 9, 153. 25 into 7 is equal to 175 by 63. So 5, 3, 8, 7, 5, 12, 1, 1, 3, 28 by 60. You can leave it here or convert it into mixed fraction. So, students, I hope you understand the sum I have discussed here with you. Try to solve the exercise from your textbook. In case of any doubt, you can write your question in the comment box. Till we next part, I am going to discuss properties of multiplication and division, and then I'll discuss the word problem based on rational number. Till then, it's goodbye from my side.